All right, we are going to do the hiccup rhythm now for one of those tricky spots. So the part that goes like this. And it's going to be hiccup, 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 hiccup. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, if you need to go slower, then go slower. Let's try it really slow. Go. And then the premise of this is you go a little faster. You go as slow as you need to get your arm to do the right thing and to be in the same time happening as your fingers. So get your fingers and your bow lined up slow, because if you can do it slow, you can do it fast. Then increase the tempo and do it a little faster. Then increase the tempo again and do it a little faster, etc., etc., etc. You have to follow through and get to the point where you can go really fast, like whoops. You see how fast my bow arm's moving? Okay, and I don't even care about the scratching or sounding on my viola right now, because this is a school viola, it's not mine, whatever. But you got to get your arms, your fingers and your bow arm together in a complicated rhythm so that you can do it very easily in the simple rhythm, which would be this. Let's do that one more time. Okay, so I'm not showing off, I'm just saying that's how I practiced it to get it to go that quickly. Give me a thumbs up on this video if it helps after you've tried the system. Happy practicing.